All right. Hello everyone. My name is Soji, and today we have the third episode in making Pong in multiple programming languages. So today we're starting with Python, and I'm gonna be making Pong in command line interface. So let's see. So I'll be using W3 schools for the reference. It will be on my different screen, unless I want to show something. That's a good resource to just look up something if I need to on the go. I'm not gonna be using. I don't think I'm gonna be using any external libraries, and I'm pretty much working in blinded in this in the whole process, because I haven't touched Python in quite a while. Although I do know some things, I still will have to look up a lot. Let's just say that. As for the code editor that I'm gonna be using, I'll actually be doing everything inside terminal. So let's see. So yeah, I'm using Linux, by the way. I'm gonna be using GNU Nana, so that's gonna be here. And let me just so I'm gonna say nano pong.py. Okay, so that's gonna where I'm gonna be programming. That's my programming interface. I also have a different screen here, different window. I'm gonna be using this one to run the program and to basically debug it. Yeah. I'm not saying I'm gonna be using only the W3 schools. I might look up some tutorial on something, or just right away ask AI for something. But I promise not to overuse it, unless I really get stuck with something, because otherwise it's just gonna get boring to watch. And since I haven't used Python in quite a while, that was like a year ago I used it last, I'm gonna try something simple to start with. So I'm gonna say print hi. I'll type Ctrl-O and enter to save it. And then on this screen, I'll say Python 3 pong.py, and it says hi. So my Python installation actually works, which is really good, considering how much of a changes my system went through over the last year. Okay, so with that out of the way, let me jump into. I don't actually know what to start with, because like I said, it's pretty much blindfolded walk through the process. This is not a tutorial, it's me struggling with this whole thing. Yeah. So let me see. I'm guessing a good start would be to figure out the shape that I'm gonna be drawing. So yeah, I was just looking up. Okay, yeah, I was looking up this part here. So that's just gonna be if name is equal to main, that's gonna be my program starter. The point where everything starts. I wanted to have right away main. Okay. Oops. Wait. Oh yeah, I tapped single equal. Cool. And main is not defined, of course, because I didn't define it. So I mean, that's what I expected to see, pretty much. Okay. Well, if it's not defined, let's just define it. So define main, and inside the main function, what do I want to have? So yeah, I'm gonna make it a little more. I don't know if I can call it object oriented, but yeah, a little more nice than just making everything in one function. So I'm gonna say, let's see. Gonna call function make no draw ball. Okay, so this is a function that will be drawing my ball that we'll be using for Pong. What else do we need? We will need the players, which let me think. So the player, yeah. So I don't actually know what that thing is called in Pong. I'll just call it, I don't know, board. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think it matters that much, and it's not too much typing. And I guess that's gonna be draw board. I'm guessing I'll have to change it to like something equal to draw board to make it an object at some point, and then I'll have several of these. But yeah, we'll see. It doesn't matter as much right now. So that's main, and so that's basically the preparation of the game, and then after that I'll have while true, while true. I'm gonna be doing something. I don't actually know what, so I'll just say pass for now. Gonna save it, and let's see. So since I have function draw ball, first I'll start with that. So I'm gonna say define draw ball. That function should probably take something, unless I want to hard code it. I don't really know if I do. Okay, so how am I gonna draw a ball? So that's actually a pretty good question, because I can make it big, like bigger, but then it's gonna be hard to see it in command line interface because it's gonna consist of characters. So what I'm thinking of is I'm actually not thinking of anything right now. Let's just say print print star. I mean, star kind of looks like a bow, if I'm being honest. Okay, so now with that, I mean, that will do as a temporary bolt, so I guess it's fine. Also define draw. I can always change it anyways. Draw board. Let's see. So with this one, I'll print something. The symbols that will work as a board. Could do underscore, but I don't really want to do underscores in here. Let me just look it up. Gonna check if there's a good symbol for me, like square. Give me a second. Could use equal sign. That will work too, I guess. Or I could use minus. Okay. Oh no. Yeah, I'll just use equal sign. I guess that's pretty simple symbol. Obviously, I'll need more than one, so I'll just make like 8, 9, 10. I'll do 10. Okay, so let's see what's that gonna do. It's not gonna do anything. Oh yeah, because I don't have indentation here. And if I run it now, I'm gonna say, oh, of course, that's part of the main function. Okay, let's run it again, and I have one character and another character. Well, I mean, a whole bunch of equal signs, which I guess is a progress in a sense. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna have a long way ahead. Okay, so I did ask AI to make me a simple program which draws a couple objects, a ball and a rectangle in command line. And here's what it gave me. So let's just see. That's the first time I'm looking at it. It uses time and OS. Okay, so that's one thing that I was looking for. How to make it in command line so that it doesn't spit out a whole bunch of characters as if it was a news game. So I guess it just clears screen all the time. Might as well just copy that right away. And I guess NT will be for Windows and clear would be for Linux and macOS. Just gonna copy the whole thing here. Because I mean that's something I will need eventually. What else it does? So it draws rectangle. It takes X and Y. I mean that would make sense. Oh, the position and width and height. Okay. So it would take Y plus height, then X, then it's gonna print stars, so it's making everything out of stars. That's not really what I want. Equal signs, but other than that, takes, it prints or does not print, and then circle takes radius. Yeah. Then okay, so it does clear screen right away. Then draws rectangle, draws circle. Then it sleeps for 0.1 second. So that's the speed of the game. I guess I will need that as well, because things could happen pretty much instantly in this case. So I will import time, and I will instead of pass put time dot sleep. How did it do it? Time to sleep 0.1. Yeah, I'll just copy the value here. Oh, sorry, 0.1. Yeah, which is pretty much the same thing as pass, at least for now. Draw ball, draw board. You know what? Might as well just do clear screen just to make sure it actually does what I want. Clear for screen. I think I messed it up a little. There we go. No. There we go. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this away. If I rerun the game. Okay. So, oh yeah, I forgot to import OS, which is important for the clear function. Import OS. Yeah. Okay, and now if I run this again, that gives me the whole clear screen. Okay, so after about 17 minutes, I have the game board, I guess, working. That's a progress. Slow, but progress. Okay, so now that I have that, I probably want to do. So let me just think about it. If I clear screen every single time, I mean, if I use this approach, which I don't see how I'm not gonna use it. In this case, I will definitely need position of ball and the board, which means I will need to put X and Y. X and Y. I'm gonna keep these values hard-coded, the star and the equal signs, at least for now. Yeah, but so keeping that hard-coded, I only need X and Y for these functions. X and Y. Oh, and I guess, yeah. So I guess I should have changed it to X ball, Y ball, and then X board. Yeah, let's just keep this the way it is right now. So Y board. I'm just thinking ahead of when we're gonna be making multiple players, or at least the second board. How's that gonna go? But I guess this will do for now, at least. If I stop the game, oh yeah. Before that, I need to do. So let's say, I guess initial values for X ball and Y ball should be 0. y bow is equal to 0 and 0. Pretty sure you can do that in Python. And then for x board, y board, x board, I want to keep at 0, so that should be the center of the screen. But with y board, I wanted to keep it at the bottom of the screen, which means the bottom center. Well, there won't be any way to know for sure, but let's just do -100. That's gonna be trial and error. So if we do that, oh yeah, I should have also added these two functions. Yeah, I'm just gonna copy them. Copy and then paste. And with that, I should see nothing because inconsistent use of tabs and spaces. Why is that? Tab error line 22. Which line number it is? Should have changed my GNU settings. Sorry, nano settings. Oh, I see. So there's tabs and spaces. That would make a lot of sense. Why did it change it to spaces though? That's a good question. Oh well. Okay, so it appeared for a fraction of a second and then disappeared immediately. Which, I mean, would make total sense because clear screen should clearly not be there. All tabs. Then I'm gonna just say clear screen in here after time sleep. And if I do that, it's gonna keep those somewhere and actually just keeps them printed the way they are. Because I didn't do any logic for their actual position. So let me go back to that reply of AI and see how it decided to do the positioning of the things. So yeah, draw rectangle. Okay. Oh, okay. I guess it goes through every single point on the screen. Like, I guess I cannot select anything because it clears screen every single time. Every 0.1 second. But what I can see is we are only printing our star if we go through okay, X and Y. Okay, let me just process that for a second here. So we take width and height. We go through Y all the way up to Y plus height. Then we go through J's, which is X all the way X plus width, which in case of ball is not needed. So I could just go to Y. And then if I is equal to y, or this is equal to y plus height minus 1, we're gonna print. Actually, thinking about this, I should probably just run this whole code somewhere just to make sure it works. I'm just gonna say nanotemp.py, and then gonna paste this code. I don't think that's the code, unless, oh, it is a code. Okay, yes, Python 3 test.py. Okay, so that's what it did. Started from the very beginning, which is not exactly what I want. Also with this circle, well, it's a huge circle. It's clearly not exactly what I wanted. Let me just give me 1 second. I'll just restart. Ask it differently. Maybe I just should look it up on the internet. Also, that would defeat the purpose. Okay. So okay, so everybody is using display to draw something, at least as far as I can see. Need display update play self.next. Oh, okay, interesting. I'm gonna make it simpler. I want to go too complicated with this. Also, I might need to create game using Python. No, that's not what I want. I should probably just ask AI. Point. How do I draw a flat line consisting of equal signs in Python command line interface. And let's see, so that should be at the bottom of the terminal window. And let's see what it gives me. Uses shuttle, that uses shuttle, whatever that thing is. I never heard of that library before. Let's just ask about using only native Python. Let's see, OS. Oh, there we go. So width is equal to OS get terminal size dot columns times width. And I'm already using OS, so that's okay. And then what is this one? In the line at the bottom of the window, you can use the following code. About this code. I guess it's not the same. Print a line of characters. To print the line at the bottom of the terminal, yeah. So \n times get window terminal size dot lines, and this one was dot columns. Okay, that's good to know. I'm definitely gonna be needing this. Okay, so with this, I think I need to change my program initialization a little bit. I want to make the like init function, and that's gonna be the actual starting point here. So even before clear screen, I'm gonna say define init. Init doesn't need anything. I already imported OS, so I'm gonna say yeah, basically just gonna copy this thing here, copy, paste, and then here I'm also gonna take, oh wait, that's columns, and then lines. I'm gonna take this one as well, because if we're gonna be making it dependent on the number of lines and columns, and I can change my terminal window size to pretty much anything, and it also tells me how many columns and lines I have. I want to make sure it's at least big enough to make the game playable, which means I also need, did I copy it? No, I did not. Well, I'm just gonna say lines, and that's gonna be height. Probably just stop this program. So that's the first part, and then I want to do if width is less than what? So let me see what number would make it playable, at least for now. So that's too small. 50, I guess 50 lines would be more or less enough. And then the height should be something like 50 columns would be enough, and then lines, guessing 20 lines is enough. So if this is less than 50, or is it or? I'm always getting confused with this or and end part. Width is less than 50, then we obviously should do something. Yeah, I guess it's or. Height is less than 20. We want to do something. What do we want? Because it's init and we will be using height and width and height. I probably want to return these values to my main function. So yeah, if this is the case, I will return let's see, something like -1. Hope it's valid code. Don't remember how to do this properly, and I don't really want to spend time checking right now. But here I want to say so width, comma height is equal to init. I'm going all the way up. I want to do, so if it's not the case, then we just go return width comma height. Something like this. And then if I go back to here, the main function, let's see, I could probably just comment this part out for now and then just do print with, I just want to make sure it works first, print with comma height. Then if I go here, actually no, let's just keep it at the size of 50 by 20, and that's gonna be this one. Missing parentheses, oh yeah, of course I'm missing them, makes total sense. Okay, and now name height is not defined. Why is that? Did I mistype it? H-E-I-T. Oh yeah, cannot type today. Okay, so it did print 50 by 20, which is exactly what I wanted. So I guess that part works. Yay. Okay, now since I have these parts, I could do, so what was I asking for? Oh yeah, so something at the bottom of the screen. And now I have that part, columns, lines times width. That will make the line on the top. And to make it at the bottom, get terminal size. Oh, okay, I see. So it prints all of the \n's. That's far from ideal because I guess it's gonna make it at the bottom, but oof. Let's just ask it differently. So I will need other objects to be there as well. So putting \n's will not work. So what's gonna do in that case? With the end argument to print and without moving to a new line, and then carriage return character to move cursor to beginning of the line. What do you mean? Yes, hello world, this is test. Then columns, print line of equal signs at the bottom of the terminal window. Okay, I want to figure this out. I just want to run this to see it's gonna do what I needed to do. Gonna copy, paste it here. And then let's just run it to see if that is my solution or not. Okay, if I make it bigger, well, I didn't really do anything. So if I clear the screen, run it again, it's, yeah, well, it draws the whole bunch of lines at the bottom, yes. Doesn't draw them at the bottom of the screen, like actual bottom. And I definitely do have width and actually, hold on. I don't say, oh, I see. So it doesn't really use anything what I need. Okay, let's go differently. How? Actually, wait. No, AI chat. How to make a CLI program where CLI program in Python where it takes up the entire terminal window. Some elements are at the very bottom of the window. Some are on top. So that will be our player 1, which is the bottom player, and then the player on top. Some are moving. Let's just ask that. Element at top, at the bottom, blah blah blah. Blessings, what's that? Blessings terminal. Do I need all of that? Oh, curses. Really? More powerful than blessings. That's funny. More complex to use. You can also use URWID. Text user interfaces more easy to use and more powerful than blessings. Is there a simple approach without using external libraries? Well, yeah, it just brings the same thing. Okay, this makes things a little more complicated. Get terminal size. Then they use shut IL. Don't think I have that installed. Any of that, honestly. So let me just double check. So 3 short shut IL. I guess I do. Okay, in this case I might have to use one of those libraries. Import shut, and the reason why I'm doing shut IL right now is because I've seen some tutorial using that. Yeah, I do have shut IL. Interesting. I had no idea. Yeah, I've seen some tutorials using the shut IL. Get terminal size. It's more. Oh wait, it's get term. Oh wait. No, that's just the terminal size. Never mind. So they do. Okay, so they just use. Do you have any of these ones? If I do, then I can just use that. I don't really want to install anything else. Oh, RWID. Okay, let me just see. You can use URWID, which is Python library, more easy to use than curses, more powerful than blessings. Key, exit main loop. Okay. Text header, top of the window, text footer, filler loop, text moving. Might as well just run this thing again, just to see what it's gonna do. So nano test.py. Oh wait, it was temp py. Yeah, whatever. Actually, how much is there? You know what? Do nano. Or I should probably just go simpler way and do text. Sorry, 1 second. Temp py space. Okay. Python 3 temp py. Top of the window, moving element, bottom of the window. Well, yeah, it did make the window. I don't think it's the bottom of the window though. I should probably look up documentation on URWID. That. Usage. Oh, yeah, tutorial. Obviously not on YouTube in this case. Future stations. Top left corner of the screen will run until interrupted. Okay. Oh, it's this kind of program. How do I? The colors. Let placeholder loop. Signal handlers. Down the space or enter to exit. It's multiple questions. Okay, but how do I? Simple menu. Typing. Oof. So that's like several of them, and then it's filled. Top menu choices. Horizontal menus. Oh wow. Now this is all nice and stuff, but pretty much static window. I don't think it will do what I needed to do. Adventure game. Okay, no. Oh, that's pretty much it. Between application logic and widgets that have been created. Yes, yeah, you could do widgets. No, I don't think that will work. know what? Probably through that. I don't want to install blessings or curses or whatever they want. Actually, unless I have one of those, so import blessings, and if I have that installed, what? Oh yeah, did I save it? Still does the thing. Why? Why does it do the thing? We need wait. So import blessings. Oh wait, so sorry, I'm running the wrong program. Do I have blessings really? So what did it tell me about blessings? Okay, well, once again, just gonna run this whole thing in my other window, m.py. Well, it's not really a moving element. Kind of sucks. Okay. And there's no top of the window, right? I guess there was top of the window, and then there was bottom of the window. If I move top of the window, and I don't want any moving stuff in here, it's just gonna keep printing stuff. So I'll try that. Oh, wait. I don't need to draw top or bottom. It didn't clear the screen, that's the problem. So, oh. Okay, so I guess the problem was not clearing the screen properly. So let me just quickly get my other code. Equal terminal t.clear. Yeah, that doesn't work. Get OS. And yes, by the way, I'm now working in this code in this text editor for debugging. Just makes it easier to copy from AI. But I want to import OS. What I'm doing is probably not the best way, but that's just for debugging. Then, oh wait, did I need? I don't think I needed that, right? No, I did. OS clear, because this t.clear didn't work, the one that AI provided to me. So instead, I will do one. Okay, that looks better. And then if I uncomment these two, then I should be seeing bottom of the screen, top of the screen. Okay, so that's the solution that I needed. I'm just gonna stop this. And let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna use this solution, I guess. I was about to give up and just go to GUI with the turtle I think they use, but I think this will work. So we do t.location. I guess I don't need this init now. Yeah. Hold on, let me just do one thing real quick. There we go. Gonna be using. I guess I have two of these. Nice. Yeah, I'm just too tired of using GNU Nano. Sorry, it's a good program, but only when you have more experience with it than I do. I'm just too slow with it. I'm gonna make this window bigger, and we'll go from here. And I can finally see the number of lines. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and copy the first part. So yeah, I don't need the whole blessings, I just need the terminal. And then t is equal to terminal. Yeah, when I make it into video, I should probably cut a whole bunch of stuff out, because that was too slow. I'm sorry about it. Yeah. Okay, so t is equal to terminal. And now with that, we can go ahead and top of the window, bottom of the window, yeah. What can we do actually now with that? So we have init, which gives us width and height, but I don't think we really need that at this point now, because to look at this program, we can just take location inside the terminal, same as here. Random location. Okay, yeah, so I don't need this init function. I don't need width and height. I can just take it from my t. So I'm gonna keeping the clear screen function because it's a good function. Okay, but now when drawing the board, so width. Okay, so that's what we use. So if I do width t.location equal to okay, so t minus height minus t.height minus 1 give me the max possible height. So 0, and that this is, oh no, that's height, t.height. Okay, because I want it to be in the center in terms of left or right, which means to do t dot width divided by 2. And I'm hard coding everything in, right? Well, I'll just gonna see if it works, and then if not, I'll have to change it. If it works, I will just change it to not hard coded version. And then t dot height is t dot height minus 3. Let's just do that. Okay, yeah. Okay, now let's run the game and see. It's Pong. Oops. Was never closed. Oh yeah, t.location. I didn't finish writing the code. So with this, I need to print like this. Nope, unsupported operand type for division. Okay, I cannot divide it. Property and int. That's where. Okay, but can I just say see x current. Actually, no, wait. I don't need current, right? I need to draw at the specific location. So I'm using blessings. Let me just look up that stat. Python blessings. That's bold, yes. Zero terminal height, yeah, okay. Terminal, oh, and I'm guessing this is the code to do what I was looking for this whole time without actual blessings. And they used a whole bunch of stuff. Yeah, I don't want that. Hold. That's nice text. Color. Set position in here somewhere. Moving the cursor. Here's the bottom. No, that's static. We changed just the row. Y is equal to 10. Okay, that's good to know. So I can put like static number in it, but oh, I guess terminal width, right? So if I put so if I do like x current is equal to t dot width, and then I don't know, I'll print. Actually, no, I don't think print will work now. Maybe it will. But I want x underscore current divided by 2, and then instead of t dot width divided by 2, I'll put x underscore current. It's gonna work? No. X current. So x current is no longer an integer, right? Oh wait, did I just put line 16? Yeah. X underscore no underscore current is equal to what? Is equal to int. Can I do that? No, int argument must be a string or byte, not property. Oh, Wait, what? It's a property. Well, I mean, if it just gives me that error, I'm gonna look it up anyway. Paste and go. Nope, nope, nope. Okay. Then more tutorial here that will tell me how to do it. Move left. Parameterless movement capabilities that can move cursor one character in various direction. Move left. Move up. Okay, yes. Okay. Newly updated each time you ask for them, so they're safe to use from. Yeah. Clear the whole screen. Yeah. Screen mode. Okay. Okay, then in this case, I'm not gonna be using division here since it doesn't work, at least as far as I can see. I'm gonna be doing well, X. Did I say I'm gonna be doing hard-coded version? Well, I guess no. X and Y, and then the location for X and Y, print this whole thing. Then I'm printing draw board right here. Yeah, so my screen size is not that big. If I make it bigger, like all the way, that's what I will probably want to play with. That's gonna be oops. So 136 in width. Yeah, I guess it will work. So I'll just hard code this value myself. Although it's not gonna work with smaller windows, but that will do for now. So X will be equal to 136 divided by 2 gives me 68. So 68, and Y will be so how was it doing it again? D that height minus 2. Right. Okay, and with that, make it all the way. No, it doesn't work again. Why did it work in this case then? D height minus, that's clearly 1. If I do it minus 1, is it gonna change it? No. Why did it work here then? And did it work? I think it did, yes. Have this stamp. No, it's actually different code. Let's see. There's my other window. So if I say Python 3 stamp py, doesn't give me error. So why does it give me error in my case? T.location. And that's pretty much what I'm using here as well. Okay, so where's my t.location? T.location. X, Y. Taking it here. Well, the easiest one to check is just say 0 and then t.height minus 1. That should work too, right? I think it should work. And then I'm gonna comment this one out. I'm just gonna say t.height. Oh no, that's actually, it doesn't matter which terminal to use. Yeah. No, it doesn't work here on line 16. So it gives me error here, but it doesn't give error in this code. Question is why? T is equal to oh wait, T is equal to terminal. There we go. Name width is not defined. Okay, I think that just fixed the problem. Name width is not defined. Where? Line 25 width. Oh yeah, I guess it wouldn't be defined. I guess I don't need any of these ones now. Come. The only concern is that it prints line. Well, not where I want it to be. And that should be fixed by print t. Okay, let me just see how they print stuff without bolt. Theorem.move plus, something simpler. Right red, right blue, even worse. Oh, 16 colors. Okay, I guess I could do print. And I guess they do different print than what I do. Print t dot green like this, and if I'm not mistaken, that should be at the bottom of the screen. No, print. Okay, print. What did it not like? Parentheses equal to print. But why do they not have the problem that they have no parentheses here? Print. If I just add parentheses, it's gonna be my solution. Yeah. Okay. And if I do it like that, no, it's still not exactly what I want. So it's green. That's good. If I make it like, I don't know, 8. Should move the line. Yeah, okay, it did move the line. T.height. This is the problem. So T.height should be way below. Just like in this one. The draw bottom T.location is T.location, yes. t dot height minus 1. Put spaces there, but I don't think it matters. Print t dot green. Okay, yes. And is this the problem? Nope. Maybe the quotation marks somehow make. No, they definitely don't. Okay. So it's still not at the bottom. Although here on this window, was it actually at the bottom? Yeah, I think it was the bottom. T.clear doesn't work in my case. I put OS. I want to make sure it. I don't remember if it was working before, but I just want to make double check. OS is clear, yeah. Yeah. It is at the bottom of the screen, and this is the top of the screen. Okay, so this one is definitely working. The question is why mine does not work. So draw top, draw bottom. Draw bottom is the one I need with T location. And I'm also using T for terminal. I imported terminal from blessings, yes. T location 8 and T dot height height, yes. I'll put spaces around it just in case. -1 print T dot green, and then I'm drawing the location, print something. That's it. And then we just print it. Draw board. And it's export by board. If I clear the screen. Oh, it actually did make a difference. That's pretty interesting. And if I do it now, okay, so it was working. Oh, I see. So the screen just got overflown with stuff, and it seemed as if it was not. That's a good one. Okay, in this case, I'm gonna put the while true back. Time sleep, clear screen. Oh, actually no. Before that, I wanted to see if I could use t.height. No, let's keep this one as it is. I wanted to see if I could do t.width divided by 2. If I can do that, it's gonna be awesome. Float object cannot be interpreted as integer, and width is float. Okay, sorry for my dogs, by the way. T is float. So if I put int in here, then that should give me. No, wait, which line is it? Line 32, main draw board, export board. Line 16, int, yes. Float cannot be interpreted as integer. Oh, right, because that gives me float. So if I do this, then it's gonna work, yes. And so if I clear the screen again and run it, it's exactly at the center of the screen. That's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Somehow went into full screen mode. Okay, but so now with that, I will be able to draw the whole thing properly. I mean, it's already where I want it to be. I just need to do while true, draw ball, draw board, time sleep, clear screen. Oh, I need all of that. Draw ball. Oh yeah, by the way, I don't need this one. X and Y. So if I just put, let's see, this works, and I can just put same thing in here. This, and then here I just put X. Here I just put Y, and Y board will be whatever it was. Yeah, same thing. And if I clear, no, run it, it's, yes, it's working. The ball just keeps falling down all the time, and that's because draw ball I just printed, and if I give it proper code, so same thing as this one, but I want red, I want star, but location should be the same, so the ball should be at the center. If I just run it, should be good, right? It should be, but it's, oh, I guess it's not at the center, it's at the top. Yeah. Coming from scratch, center was at the center. Center was at 0, 0. So what I need to do instead is take this one, int from width and from height, everything divided by 2, and then change this width to height. And now if I run it, I should be getting the ball and the line. And this also tells me that it starts, so the center is actually right here and the line is just shifted to the right, which having 10 characters, I want to do width divided by 2 minus 5. Hope it knows the order of operations, but well, I want to see it first. I don't think it does. Unless, oh yeah, I changed it in the wrong one. Sorry. This one, minus 5. There we go. So it's not ideal from what I can see. Should be minus 4, I guess. But that's just cosmetics. And there we go. So now we have the board drawn exactly at the bottom of the screen and the ball drawn exactly at the center of the screen. Okay. So that's good. We have board and a ball. I've already been recording for 1.5 an hour and I just got to some result. Cool. Okay, so from this, oh yeah, so if I restart the game, by the way, in the smaller window, it still works. And I don't need to configure size of the display, so it's smaller now. We clear screen, but we draw them every single time. Oh, and I guess it doesn't really work for changing play size. Yeah, it's getting messed up badly. I mean, it's not really designed for that, but it could. Let's see, t is equal to terminal. Could honestly just check it every time, but that would make game a lot slower. But yeah, I don't know. Let me just see how good or bad it's gonna be, and if it's even worth it. Oops, variable reference before assignment. T is equal to terminal. Oh, okay. Reference before assignment. Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna bother with that. I don't exactly remember how to solve this error, so yeah. And I spent too much time already on this little part. But now with this, I could try to implement some movement, at least for the board. So let's see. We have X and Y for the board. I'm not gonna change Y, obviously. I will need to change X. X board is equal to, so right now it's divided by 2 minus 4. And while true, we need to get user input somehow. Is there a user input inside blessings? Or do I need to use something else? So that's colors. Progress bars. Shopping list. Oh wait, that's it. Blessings Python user input. If I try this one, character input and blessing. Sure, let's go to Reddit. We want this. Popular blessing fort called blessed. Don't fork, I'm already using blessings. Get char input divide terminus this. Oh, file 1 char print pressed character. Detect. Oh, that's just someone's code. Good code, no problem. Control Z, Control C. Okay, no, that's not really what I want. No. What about AI? What does it tell me? How do I capture user input? Left and right arrows. In Python 3. You can capture using by input. Okay, that's another one. I mean, if I have the library, I'm gonna use it. If it's not one of the default ones, no. By input, no. I want to import by input. And let's see if that gives me problems. Invalid syntax. Oh wait, did I just mess something up? Yes, okay, sorry, my bad. Import by input. No, I don't have by input. Can use curses. Oh really? Is there such functionality in blessings? Yes, blessings provides way to capture keyboard import. Okay. How? So C terminal dot in key. Left arrow, right arrow. Okay. So blessings about it. That's good. So in this case, so I have T for terminal. And it puts it inside while true. Okay, so T is equal to T dot in key. Yeah, I'm just gonna do the same way. Well, I'm basically just gonna copy this whole thing, see if it works in the first place. Oh yeah, and I need the if C is equal to T dot right, and I'm gonna print left arrow pressed. Let's see if that worked. No module pi input. All right, don't need this one anymore. Left arrow pressed, but it's not. I did not. If C is equal to, let me just do Q. Q. Is it gonna quit right away? Q. Okay, I'm pressing Q. And doesn't do anything. Why is that? And is it gonna work inside separate program? Just the AI code? It was this one, yes. Okay. Oh, it just prints left arrow pressed, and if I press Q, it doesn't do anything. Yeah, I don't think that this is an actual working code. When the left arrow is pressed, the right arrow is pressed. Yeah, it doesn't really change. I'm pressing all the arrows. Oops. Oops. Sorry about that, my microphone just fell. Okay. I'll just Google that usage. So, blessings in key. I should put Python. Blessings. So blessed. I think it just made it up. There's no such thing in blessings. Yeah. Blast does it. Is there a way to do this without external library? You can capture keyboard input using arrow keys. Without external hello. This requires platform specific code. Okay. So sys tty terminus. Okay, so that goes lower level stuff. To put terminal into raw mode, which allows reading individual characters from terminal. Okay, I'm not going that deep yet. I probably will have to use once I get there. I'm actually gonna survive until then. Because looking at my progress today, gonna be a problem. See. So they suggest using blast. Blast documentation. Let's go to blast. Oh no, wait. First things first. Import blast. Do I have blast? Somehow I did have. Oh no, wait. Python 3. Pong. No, I don't have blast. I have to install it separately. Introduction. Is it like almost the same thing? In key, yeah. Okay, so in key is from blast, not from blessings. That's why it doesn't work. Seems pretty powerful. I should probably stop this video because my tongue stops working. Let me just do real quick. pip install, and do I just type blast in here? Pip install blast. Try that. Oh, okay. I don't. Python installation. Plus document requirements. Python wrapper. Okay, then that's. If I just go here to download it menu. Oh, right there, pip install blast. Why did it not work for me then? Guessing this terminal window will not work. And I don't remember how to install packages in Python currently. If I just do this. Oh, okay, I just needed to do it like that. Successfully installed. Oh, so if I now do Python 3 Pong.py. Okay, now I have blast. So can I just do same thing without breaking my code too much? So from blast import terminal. Is this gonna break the whole thing? No, wait a second. Clear. It does break some of it, yes. Not all of it, but definitely some of it. So more specifically, it doesn't clear the screen. Why it does not do that? So clear screen. I mean, I could just do it right here in the beginning. I guess that works too, yeah. So all of the characters that I type are still here for some reason. So it doesn't actually clear the screen. Even though I have the function for it. Oh, wait a second. That makes total sense because I should press C first of all. C doesn't tell me anything in here. It's stuck in the while true. That makes total sense. So if I remove this, oh wait, no, that's part of it. So if I remove this in key part, or at least comment it out. No. Okay, I'll just remove it. And then I restart the program. Okay, so now it works the same way far as right now. So now let's see, blessed. Go back to the documentation. And inside documentation, I want to look for input. Okay, keyboard in key. So built-in function input, pretty good for basic game. That's what I need. I think. Oh wait, no, that's input. No, that's not what I want. No. With special mode that ensures OS read on input will return as soon as input is available. So if I do the in key with their suggested way, not 3. Okay, how about it's not ChatGPT actually, it's Llama 3.1. How is this Llama way? In Python 3, so I'll do the same thing using blessed. I don't want typed characters to be seen on the can use blast blah 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 with term.hidden cursor, term.c break. Okay, this is interesting. So well, let's first try this code to see if that is gonna do anything for me. Then I need, actually I think I used both windows for the same code, yeah. So I'll just put Python 3 temp left arrow key, right arrow key. Okay, this code works. And Q quit the game. So now using this code, I need to change this one. I have terminal. Well, like I have T. So if I just no, not here. If I just do this, so while one, nope. With T dot hidden cursor T dot T break this, and then it does the key, which is gonna be in while true loop sense. T dot in key. Okay, and then if T dot is sequence, and I can just copy the whole thing. Leave this one. So let's see if this one works. Consistent use of tabs and spaces, of course. Give me all. There we go. Yeah, Kwrite is pretty good with handling that stuff. Expected indented block after if line 29. Oh, yeah. And this one should be here. So when I'm pressing left and right keys, it shows stuff for a fraction of a second. Not exactly what I want. Print left arrow pressed. Doesn't actually print anything, as far as I can see. Let's see. Does this code hide everything? I have other objects on the screen which I want to be visible. Manager only hides cursor, but it doesn't prevent the input from being echoed to the screen. You need to use no echo. Oh wait, no, it misunderstood what I needed. Okay, so hidden cursor only hides stuff that I type. What is C break? C break. That's last C break. I think there's something for it. C break bless. Nope. Okay, let's just ask it directly. What does C break do? C break is a module in terminal that allows your program to read input one character at a time without waiting for user to press enter. Oh, okay. Good. So, okay, so if I remove this part here, yeah. So with that gone, I should try to rerun the program to see. Okay, no, it still hides everything. So it's not about the hidden cursor. That's good to know. If I don't do any print stuff and instead do what I actually intended to do, well, actually no, let's just do pass to make sure I don't have problem in this code. No, still does the same thing. Okay. Oh wait, with. Yeah, and no, that still should be good. With and C break. Well, true. It doesn't actually draw the screen properly. Draw board, draw ball. Well, true. E. Okay. So if I comment this part out. No, that doesn't seem to be the problem, yeah. I can actually press any key, it's still gonna do the same thing. Not just the ones that I coded. If I remove key.inKey. Oh. That solves the problem, although not entirely. Fixes it right after. Okay. So t.inKey is the problem here. Why is that? .inKey. So searching the back in key. Break lower. Term.inKey. Timeout. If not, no, it's the same thing. If I don't clear the screen, well, I will need it, but if I do key.t in key, how is it gonna change it? Okay, so it just puts everything on the new line. Is it for this? Yeah, every single key that I press makes me a new line. I don't want that. Without clearing the screen, that's what it does. If I clear the screen, everything just goes. That makes sense. How do I make it so that t.inKey does not create a new line every time I type a character? Let's see what it says. So we'll move the cursor to the next line. T.moveX. Y method to move cursor back to original position. A simpler way to achieve this is to use cbreak and keypad method together. Have cbreak already. What is keypad? Keyboard keypad mode. Okay. T left, right, and it does t.keypad. To read special keys like arrow keys prevents cursor from moving to the next line. Okay. I like how it sounds. The only problem is that oh, never mind. There we go. Yeah, so I will test this on a separate file, obviously. Not this one, right? It's gonna be, nope, on a different screen. So nope. Temp y. left arrow, right arrow. Didn't really tell me anything. Okay, let's just put it here then. T.keypad and see if it works. So hidden cursor, C break. I'll just add another one and see how that behaves. Oh wait, that's the wrong terminal. This is the one I need. Now it's still the same thing, but then what it did is it removed hidden cursor parameter. So let's do that as well. No, it doesn't really change anything. D.keypad with C break. There is special keys a character without cursor moving to the next line. Keypad false. Oh. Disable keypad mode when you're done. Oh, no, that's not good. Oh, any key still keeps moving the window. So that's the case. It should be. Let's see. If I just ask T.keypad didn't solve the problem. You can try using tMoveX, tMoveY method to move the cursor back. And I could, yes, just to see what it does. Oh, and I should probably do last. Well, I didn't find that one, so key, but I don't think it's gonna find anything for some reason. Keyboard. Key. I want the new line. All the keys, and that's pretty much. Okay. Sequence code name. No. Okay, let's just try the way that it suggests. T hidden cursor, TC break, that's all stays there. XY equal to T.getLocation. Should probably just try this code here as well. I don't think it's gonna work, but well, it's worth trying. T.move Y. Okay, so this part goes right here, and I do have this one, and then after that I have T.move X, and I put this right here. Then it should give me nothing. It's gonna give me nothing. Any key is still gonna move to place. Okay. Well, I think it's good for now. I'll look further into this problem of record, because it again takes too much time to figure this out. And then, yeah, if you watched all the way here, you're here. If you liked it, leave a like. If you didn't, leave a dislike. Let me know what you think about these streams, if somebody is actually watching them. And yeah, I will be cutting this into series of videos with cut out with cuts out of time when I was acting stupid, and probably doing a voiceover over those videos. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.